Sal aged spiders for meeting the USD. Gold and tiger says in 4 cents.
Hey guys, as you can tell from my voice, probably, I'm still quite sick. I have been sick since we got home from Boracay. It's probably the heat. Caught something na ang hirap tanggalin. But that won't stop us from doing a Sunday stay-at-home vlog today. Yay! Let me show you what we do. Not on a regular Sunday because today it's unusual because we're both sick. Nagkahawaan na rin. Sorry, Tim. But today is quite unusual because we usually go home to Eastwood on Saturday nights to be with my mom, hear Mass on Sundays, and have lunch. Today, we're just staying home because we're both sick nga. And let me show you what I will do and what we will do today. Let's go. First things first, I'm a coffee person. So kahit may sakit, magkakape pa rin tayo. Diba? He taught me how to make coffee. This is Nim's Coffee Corner. Favorite.
Good job.
Do you know what these are for? You're supposed to fold them like that. They become snug in this fit.
Thank you, Ate Joy. Blue Bottle Coffee.
Yes. 70% of the time, I would order the big breakfast. And I will show you later kung ano ang perfect bite. Yeah. I got orange juice. Perfect. And this is the coffee that I made with my favorite oats side. Not sponsored, baka naman. This is pancake and longanisa for Nim. Kain.
Pizza with strawberry preserves.
Akin yan. Let's go!
Kain na po. I'm having longganisa tapos siya, big breakfast. Pagbalik from Boracay, masama na kagad pakiramdam niya. And then ako, starting nung Thursday, masama na din pakiramdam ko. Ano ba naramdam mo now? 2 weeks na.
Bad yung mucus. And then, ang takal niya mawala. Although I haven't had antibiotic eh. I refrain from taking antibiotic as much as I can. Pero, pawala naman na. Pero ang tagal niya. Walang ubo. Are you also, any one of you also experiencing that? It's probably because of the weather, no? Extreme heat. Probably. At galing pa kaming Boracay and stuff. And we play pickleball pa every day, morning. So we wake up early. Ikaw?
Kahapon parang nalagnat ako. Starting of Friday, parang manilagnat sa loob. Hindi lumalabas. And then kahapon, after pickleball, ayun, medyo may sinat na ako. Buti lang yung best friend ko is a doctor. Binigyan niya kami ng recommendation. Yung kung anong binigay sa'yo? Flumosil? Parang ganun, Flumosil. Thanks, Besh. So, kain muna kami, tapos para makainom ng gamot. We'll just stay at home today. And then we'll attend mass sa baba lang ng condo.
Back to the finals, baby. Kahit may sakit.
Sana makapunod tayo.
Kahit hungry.
POG natin si Angel kahapon. Pero,
Angle.
yeah, correct. Hindi pisong palo niya.
Oo nga eh. Manifesting, baka may tickets kayo dyan. Let me know. I have an alumni card, so I could probably check it out and go there.
Coffee ni Alvin. Subukan natin. Let's try this. Tinuruan ko siya pero coffee maker pa yung gamit niya. Next time turuan ko siya gumamit ng V60. Perfect! Galing ah. Perfect talaga yung outside, no? And then tama lang yung brewing time mo. Hindi siya lasang sunog. Sweet. Promising? Ikaw na everyday gagawa?
Let's see. Time check, it's 10:30. We're gonna hear mass at 12 o'clock. Sa baba lang sa lobby, so good. I need to finish 4 more articles for my column next week, so let's go. Later.
Enjoy work.
I'm really so good. Like, there is an imposter among us.
Hands for hot.
Kakatapusan ng mass, so we're heading to Capitolio, sa Haru. That's where we'll have lunch.
One of our favorite Japanese restaurants.
Correct. Mabuti malapit lang sa bahay. Konting drive lang, so di nakakapagod. Or 2 po.
Puro udon, tapos isang katsudon po.
Okay, so naka-order na kami. So we're in Haru, in Capitolio, across lang ng McDonald's. Mabilis siya mahanap. H-A-R-U. Ha-R-U? Keme. I ordered tempura udon. May sabaw ako. Kasi kailangan may relief yung aking throat. For sure, masarap na naman yan. Ikaw, what did you order?
My go-to order is katsudon for Japanese, and I love it. I really, really love it. Sobrang oishi dito. Guys, so you should try it. It's in front of McDonald's, right? In Capitolio. If you know, you know.
Yeah, iconic to.
Sobrang sarap.
Yeah, sobrang sarap to. Dito yung one of the first places na pinunta natin for our first dates. So medyo memorable siya. It's a slow Sunday now. Siguro di pa tapos mag-mass yung nasa mass pa yung mga tao. And then let me show you yung view ng aming table because it's so cool. We're in front of the chef. Look. Yan, that's where the chef prepares yung maki, sashimi, sushi. Ganun ang view. Grabe, super nice. Yeah. Kumusta na pakiramdam mo? Gumagaling ka na ba o lumalala ka? Parang lumalala ka eh. Kaya
What is it? I think it's getting better. My voice is slowly going back to its normal. So hopefully I can get back to shape next week. So I have a lot of work to do. Medyo na pending yung mga work na yun because I wasn't feeling well. You know how it is, no? When you're sick, can't do much, no? As much as you would like to. You can't function 100%. Yun talaga eh. So sana mawala na siya. Please, this bug is quite stubborn. It's very stubborn. Sana hindi nyo makatch tong bug na to. Ang tikas ng ulo.
correct. Kasi tigas ang ulo mo. Check ka. O naman medyo, I think, getting better na rin ako. Yeah. Hopefully, diretso na siya. Kasi di ako nakakatulog for the past few days kasi nagigising, may sipon ako. Yeah. Feeling weak. So, hopefully, this meal will help me with my low energy. Food is here. Amazing. Pakita namin sa inyo. Looks appetizing.
This is broth from Japan. Check out. What is this? Udon. Yeah, so this basically is sweet, right? On the sweet side with shrimp tempura or ebi tempura as they call it in Japan. Love it. While mine is the katsudon. Yeah, so katsudon is like the what do you call that? The yakitori. Ay, yakitori. No. What's yabu? Ano niya? Basta yun. Pero with egg. Mas wet yung katsudon. Yan. So, my favorite.
Ubos. Diba? Sobrang sarap. Even the tail nung shrimp, kinain ko. Pero siya kasarap.
good afternoon, Senator.
Meron kayong pistachio?
Double check lang.
Thank you.
Cute.
Meron ba, sir?
Okay, isa lang. Isa. And then, ano gusto ko? ABPay promo kayo, no? Yung free niya, sprinkle, choco sprinkle.
Okay, sir. Nag-send na lang.
Thank you.
Sumakses.
Step by the step lang pala yun.
Papa.
Cotton goods. 3, 2, 1. And we're home. Time check. It's 3:02. So, excuse me. Excuse you. We heard mass sa baba lang, which is unusual kasi may sakit kami ngayon, di ba? And just had a quick lunch. And drove through for some dessert. As you saw, naka-chamba ulit ako ng pistachio donut. We did a mukbang of this on my, which channel? One of the channels. Sa IG, TikTok. I think, TikTok. So you could see it there.
Swerte lang kami kasi dito, around the condo, maraming Dunkin. So kung wala dun sa unang namin pinuntahan, may isa pa dito sa along Sheridan. Tapos meron dun sa may along Bonnie.
Yeah.
Doon may meron pa doon. So maraming Dunkin around the area. So swerte kami.
And let me flex itong DJI namin. Tinan mo, if you're a content creator, one of the beauties or the nice things about this camera is this. Hindi mo na kailangan gumunon-gunon sa likod para makita, ma-highlight mo yung kanyang pini-feature. It will automatically focus. Case in point. Tinan mo.
Ellie!
Oh, Ellie.
Check ah.
Wala nang ganyan. Diba? With the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Best purchase for last year. Promise. Kung di pa kayo nakatikim nito, it's worth it. Pangalawahan lang nga namin to eh.
Yung itsura niya, parang siyang Boston cream. Pero yung taas niya, may mga pistachio nuts. Tapos same as the Boston cream, meron siyang filling.
Wala pa, di pa kita eh.
Pero di pa kita. Kagat lang na ako.
Promise.
It's really good.
Promise.
Hindi siya umay, guys. Overwhelming yung cream. Tapos ng pistachio nuts. Hindi siya tinipid. It's worth 120 pesos. Also, PSA, tipid tip. Kasi I have a BPI app. Dunkin has a promo with BPI. If you pay at least 100 pesos using the BPI app, they will give you a free donut and a free small iced coffee. Siyempre, share ko yun because I was a former BPI Unibanker. A proud one. Wait.
But wait, there's more.
Diba yung best friend ko before sa umuwi sa Manila, yung Manila City. And he gave us a lot of pasalubongs.
And
Thanks, Besh. First, itong cute eh, nakita ko kagad eh. A pouch from San Francisco.
I love it.
Another one from San Francisco. A ref magnet. This one is, I think this one is a cookie, chimay. Of course, M&M's. Thanks, Besh. Kahit alam mong diabetic ako, bigyan mo ko ng ng chocolate. Enabler ka rin eh. Check.
Hindi kasi para sa iyo.
He and his family went to Canada din, aside from US. Tapos binila niya tayo ng maple syrup. Ang cute oh. Kala ko nga alak eh. Sayang.
Kasi kaya maple nasa flag ng Canada because they're known for that.
The last one is a refillable hand sanitizer. Cute. Very cute. Love it.
Umpisahan na! Thanks, Jed. And that's about it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. A day in our lives na on a Sunday na not your typical Sunday because we're both kind of sick. So, yeah. I'll be doing some more videos soon. Abangan ninyo. Meanwhile, like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And watch out for the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye!